Hi guys, it's Marlene. I am one of the information girls, and today I'm coming to you with community guidelines for violent criminal organizations policy. All of this information will be in the description box of this video or in the comment section. So what does this mean for you? Don't post content on YouTube if it fits any of the descriptions below. Content produced by violent criminal or terrorist organization. Content praising or memorializing prominent terrorist or criminal figures in order to encourage others to carry out acts of violence. Content praising or justifying violent acts carried out by violent criminal or terrorist organizations. Content aimed at recruiting new members to violent criminal or terrorist organizations. Content depicting hostages or posted with the intent to solicit, threaten, or intimidate on behalf of a violent criminal or terrorist organization. Content that depicts the insignia, logos, or symbols of violent criminal or terrorist organizations in order to praise or promote them. If posting content related to terrorism or crime for educational, documentary, scientific, or artistic purpose, be mindful to provide enough information in the video or audio itself so viewers understand the context. Graphic or controversial footage with sufficient context may be subject to age restrictions or a warning screen. So here are some examples of content that's not allowed on YouTube. Raw and unmodified re-uploads of content created by terrorist or criminal organizations, celebrating terrorist leaders or their crimes in songs or memorials, celebrating terrorist or criminal organizations in songs or memorials. Content directing users to sites for terrorist ideology and are used to disseminate a prohibited content, or they're used for recruitment. Video game content that has been developed or modified to glorify a violent event, its perpetrators, or support violent criminal or terrorist organization. Please remember, these are just some examples, and don't post content if you think it might violate this policy. So what happens if your content violates this policy? Of course, you may get an email to let you know. If this is your first time violating the community guidelines, you will likely get a warning with no penalty to your channel. If it's not, we may issue you a strike against your channel. And if you get 3 strikes within 90 days, your channel will be terminated. This is Marlene. I am one of the information girls. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss any future content. And as we say on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some love and